What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you probably the best crypto wallet for 2025, and you can use this wallet like instead of MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and maybe some other ones. Of course, Trust Wallet supports some of the coins that this wallet doesn't support, but this wallet supports almost all EVM chains. So this wallet is called Rabi Wallet. They have extension so you can download for Chromium or any Chromium based browsers, Edge, Opera, or anything else. And they also have for Firefox. So they also have desktop version and a mobile version. You can download it for Apple device or for any Android device. And then let's take a look at the chains that they support. So as you can see, they have integrated with 119 chains. This is pretty much every single chain that you are going to need, and not worry about adding a different chains or anything like that. They're all added by default. So let's go up really quick and let's add as an extension to my browser. Just right here, add to Chrome, get it, and then add. Once it's gonna download, this is gonna appear. So we need to create new wallet, or you can actually export your MetaMask wallet into here if you would like to. You just have to use a seed phrase, like for example right here, seed phrase, private key, or you can even use Ledger to connect using this wallet. So but for this video tutorial I'm just gonna create a new one and then show seed phrase. I'm not gonna hide this because I'm gonna delete this wallet right after the video. So I saved seed phrase, and then we need to come up with a password. Okay, once you do that, then press on confirm and then get started. That's it. Wallet is created, and we can go back here and actually show, so that way it's gonna be in our taskbar. So in here, this is the actual wallet. Then what's new? Added support for resetting password and optimize withdrawal process for a guest account. There's a couple different options. So from the start, you're going to be able to see all your assets here. Since the new wallet, I don't really have anything. Then swap built in. Then you can send, receive, bridge from one coin to another on different chains, like for example from Ethereum to BNB, transactions, NFTs, approval, ecosystem, and more. And then you can also see Ethereum gas, how many way to send anything. This is really cool. So if we press on seed phrase, this is the very first one, and then we can add more wallets, and then you can just press on add new address and either use the current seed phrase or add a new seed phrase, or like a create new wallet, or import one, or import from MetaMask account like I said earlier. And then also it supports many different hardware wallet as well. So let's just, for example, let's just another wallet. Press right here, add an address. This is gonna appear, and you just toggle a switch over here. It's gonna give you another address, like from seed phrase 1 and then 2, and then it's just gonna keep adding. So you can add as many as you like, and then press done once you're done. Then if we go back here, so if you would have any assets, you would just press on assets and it would show you what you have. I don't really have anything right now, so that's why the balance is 0. So, and then if you decide to swap, press on swap on Ethereum chain, and then they also support few other chains that you can use to swap from. And then if we go back here, you can send same way, send whatever you have in your wallet, receive, pretty much choose a chain, and then it's gonna give you QR code, like for example Ethereum, this is your address, just copy it and give it to somebody, or show them your QR code, and then bridge. You can bridge from Ethereum to Base, and you can actually choose any other chains that it's offering. So this is the way bridge works. Send Ethereum to a different chain, let's say Base ETH, and that's how you use. Literally you can do everything with an app. You don't even have to go anywhere. And then NFTs, you would be able to see all of your NFTs if you had in your wallet. Then transactions, every single transaction here. Then all the approvals, it would take you here and show you if you have any approvals on that specific address. And then let's go back, ecosystem, and then more. You can lock wallet, signature, record, manage address, Rabi points, search dApps, and connected dApps. If you connected previously to any kind of dApps, it would show you, and you can disconnect from here. New wallet, I don't really have anything. And then of course add custom network. If it doesn't support some of the networks by default, it's a new one that just came out, they haven't had a chance to integrate, you can use this add custom network to add a new chain, and then modify, language, theme mode, MetaMask preferred dApps, autolock, clear, and much more. And this is pretty much it. You just have to play with it and see how this actually, it's like an all-in-one. And in my personal opinion, I think it's actually better than MetaMask because of all the swap and bridge feature. I know MetaMask is offering all that as well, but also with the amount of integrated chains by default. So let's switch to another browser really quick. This one right here. I have little balance here, so you would be able to see which tokens and then on which chains that you have. So if you press on it, you'd be able to see, you know, have a little bit of Ethereum on Arbitrum, Ethereum on Ethereum, then Polygon, and then Pulse and something else. And then NFTs, you'd go here, you'd be able to see every single NFT in your wallet, and not just on Ethereum chain, also on Polygon and then on Arbitrum. And if you would have any NFTs on any other chain, they would show up over here as well. Then again, transactions, you would be able to see all your transactions here as well. And this is pretty much it. This is literally best crypto wallet for 2025, where you don't really have to add any chains or anything. It's all added and integrated by default. Website for this wallet, I'm gonna link in the description below. Thanks for watching.